In northern Finland, groups of male ruffs gather on communal display grounds known as leks. They rely on spectacular neck feathers to impress a partner. But fine feathers by themselves are not enough. Empty leks, like empty dance floors, rarely entice the opposite sex. The more males there are, the more attractive they will be. So the locals accept visiting males. The visitors have a distinct white ruff, and they travel between leks looking for the best mating opportunities.